Here I've got LeEco Le S3, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then go to the contacts, select for example Mickey, and now click on the more icon. Here you will notice block. Smoothly click on it and confirm that you would like to block Mickey, so from now on this number will not be able to send you a message or call you. So this is it. This is how you can add some number to your blacklist, and then if you would like to remove it, just click on more and select unblock. Confirm that you would like to remove this number from your blacklist, and now Mickey will be able to reach you. So this is it. This is how you can block contact in your device in your LeEco Le S3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.